Now that the market is shifting, interest rates are going up, prices have softened. Here are 3 pieces of advice for buyers who are ready and eager to buy now. 1, be budget conscious, but be realistic. As a buyer, it is always wise to decide on your budget and stick with it. However, don't expect unreasonable deals. Prices have softened, so take advantage of that, but don't end up offending the seller. 2, finalize your finances. Be certain you have your financing secured and pre-approved prior to making an offer. Banks are getting tougher with their lending policies, so know your numbers. Plan for higher rate hikes so there are no surprises in the next 6 months or a year. And 3, find a realtor you trust, who is familiar with the community that you're interested in and who can negotiate a good deal for you in this market. Knowledge of the current market and negotiating skills can go a long way in this market, so choose wisely. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.